In this video guys, I will show you how to run GitHub Code on Google Colab. So let's get started. First guys, as you can see here, create a new Python notebook, and to access your GitHub notebook for public repositories, use this direct Colab link, replacing GitHub with Colab. For example, this GitHub notebook URL, and on the Colab link would be here for private repositories. Navigate to Colab and check the include private repos and checkbox and sign onto your GitHub account, your private repositories, and you will now be accessed via the GitHub Navigate and edit notebook without worrying about overwriting the source, and save the change to Google Drive or back to GitHub, and you can to run easily. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content. See you on another video soon guys. Keep watching.